Today we'll talk about how can you enable email notifications on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on here general, you just click on it. You come to next step here, then you go down, just click here on promotion notifications, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to email, so then you click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us that's main email notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.